Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. This tutorial is for a dance called Little Blue Thing. It is choreographed by Julia Wetzel. It is an improver level dance. It does have one restart, but no tags. And it's 32 counts, 4 waltz. Here we go. Starting off, you're going to step back on your right foot and do a tap with your left. So you step 1, 2, left foot leads forward to a shuffle, step together, step. Take your body to the right and sway right, sway left, and give me a sailor step behind, open, open. And I'm going to let myself at the end of that sailor angle a little bit to make the next part a better transition, okay? So again, we have stepping back on the right foot. You step 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, sway 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're just a little bit at the corner here because we're going to do a cross rock. So we have left, right, straighten it out for your chassé, side together, side, and another cross rock, right, left, taking 2 steps. The first step is going to be a quarter turn forward, follow your right shoulder and step halfway back and get all your weight back on your left foot. Okay? So that second count of 8 after you've done your sailor step is a left crossover. 1, 2, chassé 3 and 4, rocking 5, recover 6, forward 7, back 8. And your energy is all the way back. Let's put those 2 counts of 8 together. Right foot goes back on 1, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. We have 5, 6, sailor 7 and 8, cross 1, 2, chassé 3 and 4. Follow your right shoulder on 7 and 8. Cool. From here, you're going to jump back with your right, left together, and 1, hold 2, and then go forward, right, left, and 3, hold 4. Right toe is going to tap. 5, switch to a tap. 6, you're going to step, ball step, and 7, doing the same turn over your right shoulder with a half turn again. 8. So that was the same direction that we did earlier when we stepped right and stepped the left back. It's the exact same rotation, okay? So from here, we went back right, left, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, and you're back on your left foot, okay? Now, you're back as you were to start the last count of 8. You're going to step slightly back on your right foot for this one. You're going to step 1, tap your left foot out on 2, step forward on 3, tap your right foot out on 4. Your right foot is free to do a crossing triple, right over left, left, right, 5 and 6. Following your left shoulder, this is our wall. We need to come all the way around. We're going to do a little double bounce, 7, 8, you're not quite there, you get about 3/4 of the way, and you finish the turn by stepping back on your right foot for 1 to start the dance again. Now I'm going to repeat that and go over that again. So that 4th count of 8, you just did the little bop and whatnot, and we're doing the step touch. I think, yeah, we're at this wall. You're stepping back, and you're going to step back. 1, point your left, step forward and point your right. Take your right foot over, right, left, right, follow your left shoulder, bounce, bounce, 1. So you get 3/4 of the way on that bounce and finish the turn by rotating back to start on 1 at your new wall. Okay? I know that's a little complicated, but once you get going, it really makes sense because you're coming back to the same wall. So if this was my wall, if I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, I come all the way around on 1, 2 to get it back. So I hope that helped a little bit, yeah? I'm going to go back to the beginning and go through it nice and slow. Here we go. Right foot's going to start stepping back. 7, 8. Step 1, tap 2, shuffle 3 and 4, sway 5, 6, sailor 7 and 8. Cross rock, chassé left. 3 and 4, cross rock, 2 steps, step 7, step 8, right, left, hold, right, left, hold, tap, and step, turn back, back, tap, front, tap, cha, 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 bounce, bounce, 1. I'm going to walk it through at this wall. Here we go. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, side 5, 6, 7 and 8, cross left, travel left, cha, cha, cha. Now we go quarter, half, back, back, front, front, tap, tap, turn right again, back, front, cha, 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 turn around, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. So a couple of the little handy hints from Candy that helped me was those last 2 counts of 8, that this went back first, and this went back first. They both go back. Just as those turns are both to your right. Yeah, so there's some continuity in that. You can also, if you want to add a little hip action on this part, you can move your hips around on that if you want, make it a little bit flashier. You can either do it with a hold, or you can do it with a little roll or a bump, right? Whatever feels good. And that's the whole dance without the restart, okay? So the restart happens, we go all the way through wall 6. It's a really short song, by the way. You only do it seven walls. The 6th wall, you only dance 2 counts of 8, and then you restart it. And your restart will happen back at 12 o'clock, okay? So you'll be dancing 2 counts of 8, you'll get all the way, you'll finish off the 2nd count of 8, and so instead of doing the jump, 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 you'll start again. So you'll be starting it here, and this is going to actually be your last wall, because this is wall 7. And so I'm going to give you a clean ending for the end of it, for the end of wall 7, and I'll show you what I mean. Dance with me one more time from this wall as if it's the last wall. 6, 7, 8, we have step, tap, shuffle, we have sway, 6, sailor, and 1, 2, chassé, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, we turn, we jump, and 1, 2, and 3, here's your tap, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, step it back, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now when you bounce it around, this would be normally where you're going to end it. You're going to give it a little extra bounce, and it's going to get you back to your front. So you're going to go 7, 8, 1, and you get to here. And you'll hear it. Just let your body go 7, 8, 1, and get you back there for a clean ending. If you don't do it, that's okay. It all works out. Okay, so restart during wall 6, dance 2 8s, and then you start the whole thing again. Okay, little boo thing. Let's give it a shot.
Let me tell you. You my little boo thing. So I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, like it's all say.
Turn it right. Back it up, right, left, right, left, tap, right, left, turn right, step, touch, step, touch, triple, and down, step it back, and chassé, and rock. Just a nice little sway. 12, right, left, right, left, right and left and right, and step, cha, 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 cross, and sway, draw the left, turn right, and right, tap and tap,
to the back, to the front, to the back. You a 10, baby girl, but I'm the one. You my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I be shooting
6 o'clock.
like 2K, girl, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something too fresh, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something too fresh, I know. Hey. Girl, you got me. I'm feeling like, oh, you got the best of mine. Oh,
Now you can hear in the lyrics, this is telling you that this is going to be our restart wall. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, start, tap.
you my little boo thing.
And
So I
sway.
don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know.
This is gonna be your last wall.
I be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something too fresh, I know.
Get ready.
Tell 'em I'm next.
All the way around.
Something too fresh, I know.
There it is. You can hear that ending. It's nice and clean. So thank you so much for coming to do this dance. Again, the choreographer is Julia Wetzel. I appreciate you coming to the Line Dance channel and checking it out. Please subscribe, please share this, and let everybody know that we're here. I teach in the Los Angeles area. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the dance floor.